Alright, hopefully none of my personal information is gonna be shown, so I don't have to block it out later in post. Alright. Whoo! Right up in center. Holy shit, that's heavier than I thought. It's some thick fucking carbon fiber. Alright, before I go any further, yeah, this is a different video. I bought a drone. Yep, this is the CL1. I was gonna build this on my own, but they can build it for not much more, so I ended up just having them do it. I've worked on drones in the past, and if this thing breaks, I'll know how to fix it at least. So Rotor Riot has two versions of the CL1. One's a bind and fly, then one's a ready to fly. I was going to buy the ready to fly, but as I was going to purchase it, and as of right now, it is out of stock. So I basically just bought almost everything that was in the ready to fly version, but got a few upgrades instead. Alright, here is all of the paperwork. Ooh, stickers. I want to see the fucking... Oh, this is fucking cool. Before this, I mostly only flew toys. This is a massive change for me. Okay, I'm gonna fuck with this later. So one of the things that I upgraded from the ready to fly version is I got the M8 charger. Now I've heard great things about this, and I've heard bad things about this. So let's hope this one is one of the good ones. I bought it, then looked into it and saw that there was a calibration issue some people had. And I'm hoping I don't have any of those. Ooh, that is clean. So it has one input, which I did get the... Oh yes, I did get the 100, and it looks like 180 watt charger that you can buy. This comes in two versions, one with and one without the power supply. I got a bunch of... So when I ordered these, I didn't realize, I believe you get a set, an entire set per. I thought it was one propeller per item. So, I have way too many. Holy shit. I'm gonna need these. I'm good at breaking shit. The Fat Shark Scouts. These are one of the more expensive box goggles, but still cheaper than most of the, I don't know how to say it, like the smaller goggles. Ooh, comes in a nice case and everything. So the Fat Sharks, I'm still a little confused with. I don't know how I'm going to power them. USB-C, AVN. Oh shit, there's a battery in here. Don't want to have it in direct sunlight. I'm inside my garage right now. Oh shit, can you see that? I'm trying to see if you can see that. Alright, let me turn that off for now. So this is one of the other upgrades I got, rather than the ready-to-fly version. These are 1300 milliamp mini stars, and I didn't plan on... I actually had the order set for the Funfly batteries, but I got a call from them saying the Funflies were out of stock, so they upgraded me to these for free, and I am glad about that. Thank you, Rotor Riot. So I bought extra nuts because I didn't know if these actually came with nuts on them. I'm kind of glad they did. Put that down. And last but not least, a parallel charging board. I'm going to try to charge my batteries one by one before learning how to use this parallel charging board. I've looked up a couple videos, but I've been told they're dangerous if you do not know how to use them correctly, but if you use them correctly, they're a lifesaver for charging times. So that's gonna do it for this video. It was just a quick unboxing and you being able to hear my excitement for getting this. This is my first race drone. I've only flown toys, I've repaired all the toys, I've flown them more and broken more, and I've never had anything that's FPV, and I wanted to buy something nice, so I got this. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like, and check back in, because there will definitely be videos up very soon of me flying this. Oh. Well, I was wrong. So, I had a sneaking suspicion that the batteries weren't fully charged. So, what I decided to do is go over to the test function and see what the battery's levels were at. 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, 3.8. So, I thought originally that maybe all four of my batteries are bad. But after looking it up a tiny bit, apparently a lot of people have this issue with that charger, and it's usually the charger and not the battery. And after calling Rotor Riot, they were quick to diagnose it with me, and we both thought it might be the charger itself. So he informed me to go out and buy a LiPo checker. It's kind of hard to see, but it shows all of the cells at 3.8 volts. So yeah, it was the charger. I'm glad, because I thought I had 4 bad batteries at first. So I went to my local hobby shop and bought a battery charger from them. This one is technically not as good as the toolkit one, but this one actually works. So I guess it is better.
Press start to confirm. Stop to cancel.
Alright, these are charging. I'm gonna come back when they're done and then go home and finish everything off.